Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we are going to decorate this accordion journal, the front cover anyway. I don't think I'll do too much more on camera on the inside, but I will give you guys a look at it once I put the tags and things in there. So first off, I want to make sure I've got the front, and I do. And I think I want to cover this book page. I'm not real crazy about it. So I've been searching through some of my vintage lace to see what I might want to do. Now I know that doesn't cover the whole thing, but we're going to put some more things on here, so not to worry. Not to worry. And this is probably going to be a very short video, just simply because I've got a ton of things to do to get prepped for the virtual retreat. So not trying to short anybody, but I need to get that done. I've got a prototype worked up. Now I need to back all my ephemera. Let's see, does this have a right side and a wrong side? I think that's the right side, because this side's rough. Okay, so I'm going to glue this down on there, and this glue is, whoops, I pulled the whole top off, didn't I? This glue is probably going to show through until it dries, but once it dries it'll be fine. And sorry about my voice again. I know I apologize for that a lot, but I did another treatment thing today, and it makes me pretty hoarse afterwards. But once it kind of wears off, my voice gets close to normal. Don't think it'll ever be back completely normal, but anyway, I'm not normal anyway, anywhere. Okay, now I'm going to let this hang off a little bit, just because if I pull it back where this is even, since that's kind of a scalloped edge, I'm going to get parts of the book showing, and I don't want that. And this is going to be a little bit of trial and error, because all I've done is laid some lace out. I haven't really done anything else. That's crooked, so I'm just going to cut that off. And I've just got this underneath because I have been working on the prototype and doing a lot of inking and different things. So I just put this down to keep from having to wipe my mat up every 5 minutes. The mat will, I mean, you can clean it up easy. It's just that having this down, I can just throw that paper away once I get finished with it, because it's just some paper that Melina had given me a while ago when she used to use it with Stampin' Up, or Stampin' Up, ever how you say that, Stampin' Up. So I thought using it for something like this was the perfect deal. Okay, so that's going to go there, and I know this side I'm probably going to cover. I'm not going to worry about that, so you guys don't worry about it. I'm probably going to put this down on this side. I could have cut it, but I probably wouldn't have used that other piece anywhere anyway. So we're just going to do this. And I may just put it, let me think. I'm thinking a minute. I've got lots and lots of doilies and things, so I need to be using those. I haven't used any in a while. I've got little pieces and bits and all kinds of stuff in here that you guys have given me over the years, and I save it until I get to a point where I can use it on something that it, you know, I mean, I could use it on anything, but there's certain things that it looks good on and certain things it doesn't, so I just save it up. I'm just going to pull, I don't think I'll use that little piece. If I do, I may just stick it up there somewhere. I don't know. I'm just pulling different pieces out to see what I've got. I do have a butterfly. It's more white than it is any other color, but I don't think I mind that. If I did, I could put a little ink on it. I think I'm gonna take that off because I've got another plan now. Let's see. I don't think I'm going to use a little wiry there. I might use some of this. Isn't that pretty? There's so many things I want to use. Let me just cram it all on here. That's the problem. Let's see. I want to just stick it all down. But it all don't look good. Now this is a picture I'm going to put inside. I started to put it on the cover, but I couldn't get it to work right. So we are going to put it probably somewhere on the inside. I think I might bring that lace all the way down because I really don't have another that I want to put on here. And I'm going to let it hang off a little bit on this side. This is one of those easy covers that you just grab whatever you have and just start laying it down and seeing what looks right and what doesn't and go from there. And I probably will not put very much on the back. If I do, it's just going to be probably some just sheer something, because I really don't want a ton on the other side. But I am going to put something on it, because since this is a never ending, it's, you know, really doesn't have a front and a back. So as long as I'm putting everything the right way up, we're good. I think I am. This is another vintage lace that one of you guys sent me a long time ago, and I've been hoarding it. I didn't want to use it because it's so pretty. I did not want to use it, but I think it's time to pull it out. Pull it out of the vault and let's get it done. Okay. There's that, and that hangs off a little bit. Now we can cut this. Oh, I hope I didn't just get my head in the shot, because my hair is a hot mess today. I didn't dry it. I got up early this morning and I felt kind of rough, so I didn't dry my hair. I just left it, and my hair is natural curly, so man, when it gets wet and you don't dry, I don't dry it and straighten it. It's a curly, kinky little mess. I think I am going to put that there, but I want something else on it too. What else could we do? I want something else right here that would kind of offset that solid white and bring it all together. I'm not sure what that might be, just to give it a little bit of an offset. Got all kinds of little pieces here. I think they're so cute. I love all those little pieces. Let's see. I'm sorry, I should have dug all of this out before, but I didn't really know what I wanted to do. And it's just slowly coming together, so you can just watch the process. Let's see, over here, I think I'm going to bring this white butterfly in right here. That'll kind of tie that white in, and then down here somewhere we're going to put more white. That'll kind of just tie it all together. So, but I think I want to, what do I want to do? Tell me what I want to do, guys. I don't know. I want to do lots of different things, but you know, there's only a certain amount of things that you can come up with. I do want to go like that, I think. Yeah, let's do that. I really don't know why, other than I'm just going to break that up a little. No rhyme or reason. Let's see. Let's make sure we put it in the right place, though. If we don't, it's going to look kind of weird. We can glue this one down. Okay. There we go. And let's see. Now I think here I will put, I pulled this out, but I don't know if I'm going to use it. I think it's so pretty, but it's a little bit much for this one, I think. What you think? You think it's a little much? I think it would look better with just this or that. I tell you, let's cut one of these off, and this may be the wrong one. No, it'll work. So we put that right there. Then we're going to need this green somewhere up here. I'm fiddling through. This is just some extra pieces that we had left over when Bethany and cut all of the lace for the e-kits. And see, I love that flower, but it's going to be pretty thick, which really doesn't matter at all, but let's see what we can do. Nope, I like this one better. This one needs a little bit of fluffing, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'm just going to put it on here. I think I'm going to put it right there. And then, let's see, what are we going to do next? All right, now this has got a little bit of pink in it. I'd like to have a little touch of pink up here. No, I don't think that'd be too hard to cut off. What do you think? Maybe? Well, look at that. I just pulled it right off. I didn't have to cut it at all. So we could tuck that in there. And that would bring that pink. Well, it would bring it in two places. We don't have the third place yet, but I know we're getting pretty wild, aren't we? I don't normally go this wild, but I think this little kit just calls for it, or this little cover just calls for it with all this lace and doing different things. I think it calls for something like this. I need something else here to kind of bring it all around. All right, what do we think? What do we think? I think I need a little bit of pink right here. I'm never going to get finished, am I? Let's see if I can pull another one of these little flowers off. Oh yeah, they're real easy to get off. I don't think I want the whole cluster though. I don't know if I can pull them apart this way or not. Okay, I did get it cut apart. I think I totally destroyed everything else on that little piece. Maybe not. I'm looking in the camera. I'm not liking that now that I got it all cut up. I'm going to glue these things down while I think about what else I'm going to do. I may not do anything else. Alright, now let's bring this flower back in. I used to put dimension on all of my little journals and journal covers and things like that. And I kind of got away from it. But, you know, sometimes it just comes back, doesn't it? Not sure about little brownie there. I got some different color down here, so I think I'm going to go ahead and put it on there. It'll be fine. Just kind of scrunch him in there. And let's see, tuck him under, put him under that. There we go. Now he looks more like he belongs, not just sticking up there. And then, where did I have this? I think I had this over here, didn't I? But now that I'm thinking about it, I may put it over here. We have 3 there, 3 here, and 3 down here. Let's do that. And then this one went on top of that little brown piece there, I think. I'd like to have some kind of label to put right there, but I don't think I have one the right size and the right color. We can look and see here in a minute. I'm just going to scrunch those two together. Then we'll put our butterfly on. I'm getting good and gluey. All right, let's put, don't really want those two attached, but just close. Let's try that. Okay, and then let's see. I might just bring this little piece in here and not put that piece down. I don't know. I don't want that to look like part of the butterfly. Maybe just right there. Yeah, that'll work. Just there. And it will just look like it's right at the end of this little piece that goes across. Okay. And I think I might leave that one out altogether. I'm not finding, it's not feeling right. Not feeling right. I am going to put this doily down though, since it was from one of you guys. Now I don't want this one in line with that one, because that would make it look like I was trying to make sure that they were in line, so I'm just going to move it over a little. And if you know, if you do something like this and you're worried about these little flowers getting squished and, you know, when you open it up and all that kind of stuff, don't, because these are paper flowers. So all you have to do if you want to fluff them back up is just wet them a little bit and then fluff it back like you want it and then let it dry, and it'll dry in that position. I've done that a million times. Okay. So there we go. What do we think? What do we think? I might see if I have a little piece of bling that will work with this to go there. It's a little bit too bright. That one of those might work. Yeah, let's put that one right there. And I'm going to put a little extra glue. Oh, look at my glue. This is an older glue that I have added to 2 or 3 times, and I need to just clean the bottle out good. So what do we think? Y'all let me know what you think about a cover like this. Like I said, I used to do this kind of thing all the time, and then I kind of got away from it, but I'm just feeling it coming back. Especially on a book cover like this that you're not real crazy about. You can always add a bunch of lace and stuff to make it look really, really nice. And then on the back, what I'll do probably is just add this lace all over it. I don't think I have one that's wider. If I do, I'll put it on, but just a sheer lace all over the back. But that's what I was going to do for you guys today. And I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I've got lots to do to prepare for the virtual retreat that will start on Wednesday. So I have been working on that, but I wanted to pop in and do a video because I didn't get one done, what, Saturday, Sunday? I don't even know if I got one done Friday. I can't remember. I don't even remember what day it is. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.